This is a video that I'm putting together to show how you can import our virtual images into VirtualBox so that you can expand the image and use it. The first thing is in the lab you'll see that there's two drives, C and D drive, and on the D drive, on the root of the D drive, there's these three folders. Now I'm going at it through here just because I'm on a different machine here, but this is what you'll see under the D drive. Sometimes that drive might be labeled E, but there's nonetheless three folders that are important. One is called SSE image. This is where the image, the virtual image, will be once we've expanded it or imported it. There's this one, SSE Image Appliance. This is the compressed file that we can use to put on websites or share and pass around the lab, and it's pretty large, 28 gigabytes, but it's at least smaller than the 120 some gigabyte image that gets expanded to. So this is the file that we need to import into VirtualBox so that we can use our image. So if we look up or open up VirtualBox, we'll see that there's, in most cases, there's nothing there. There might be an existing image, but we want to use this one. So we go File, Import Appliance, and now we have to browse to that. And again, in the lab, it's going to be on the root of the D or E drive, but in our case, we have to traverse here to this folder here, click on it, open, and next. I recommend changing the name, and I've been using just the dates of when this image has been created. So today, February 1st, and it's going to save it here, but we don't want it there. We want it in this location. So copy that, and we'll change that. And that looks fine. DSSE SSE image. There's the date, which is the folder, and then there's the virtual drive. All good. Import. This takes a while, so I will fast forward to the end when it's ready to be imported. Okay, our import is done, and this is what it looks like. So it has our name, and we can power it up. Now I must stress again that if you don't import it into the D or E drive under the SSE image folder in here, it's going to try and place it in the users folder, which means that if everybody imports it into their own user folder, then there'll be multiple images on the machine and we'll just run out of space. So you need to make sure you import that image into the D, and in our case, DSSE image, which is where ours is. And really, as you can see, it's just one file. And because we haven't started the image up, you'll notice that it's 50 gigabytes in size, which is almost twice as big as the appliance, which is why we use the appliance to move files around or images around to different machines. Okay, so let's import it. So we've imported it, we've got it here, now we're going to start it. And we get this error because it's trying to find the shared folder. So this shared folder allows us to pass files between our guest and our host images. And you'll notice it's looking for the E drive. And in our case, we only have a D drive. So it says, I can't find the shared folder. So it gives you a little error. And so we just kind of ignore that. So this is what you're going to have when your machine comes up. So you're going to be logging into your Novell network drives. And so you just put your password in here and you hit login, and away you go. And you are running your virtual machine. The nice thing about having this at home is you get your Novell drives mounted for you on any machine that you want, at home or outside. outside the campus as long as you have the VirtualBox client installed. Okay, that's it.